Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices held near a two-week low after dropping about 7% over the prior 3 days on forecasts for less oil demand growth and an easing in worries that Middle East conflicts will result in supply disruptions. US stocks were mixed and gold gained strength as bank earnings continued to beat expectations, while fears of softening global demand weakened mega-cap growth stocks and quelled investor risk appetite. The S&P 500's gains appear to be held in check by underperforming mega-cap growth stocks. Fund issuer Stacked, also known as STKD, has launched an exchange-traded fund touting leveraged exposure to Bitcoin and gold, as investors embrace the so-called debasement trade ahead of the United States presidential elections in November. The euro-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. According to the RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the pound fall 0.6% against the dollar. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Australia's employment change will be released at 0:30 minutes GMT. The Eurozone's harmonised index of consumer prices at 9 GMT. Australia's unemployment rate at 0:30 minutes GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate will be released at 4:30 GMT. Japan's tertiary industry index at 4:30 GMT. The US retail sales at 12:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.